So we were founded, as you rightly said, in May 2019, just last year. But the journey, what we have, has started 4 years ago. So myself and Hari are the main founding members of Confab. So we were college classmates. So we happened to meet after 10 years after the college, and we discovered common interests in sharing knowledge, building communities, and exploring and building new technologies. So that's when we started our first startup, which is CodeOps Technologies. So while getting, to understand how to run our own company, we wrote our first book on Java. So that was a quite exhausting experience. Like, took 6 months to write the book, and to share the knowledge that we have acquired while writing the book, we started our first meetup, which is Java Meetup Group. So one group after another, and it expanded to 10 meetup groups across various technologies, and now with solid 45,000 plus members in just 3 years. So as a natural extension of running meetups, so we started organizing conferences. So entering into the conference space brought us, various realizations about the existing gaps in the platforms that are available. So not having all things, mainly the organizers, the speakers, the participants or attendees, and the sponsors at one place, that was the biggest problem. And to address this particular problem, we spun off our next startup, which is Confab Technologies LLP. Now Confab as a platform serves as a one-stop place for discovering and hosting technical conferences. So it's been an extensive growth phase for us in the last 8 months, and Confab, like every other business now, as you rightly said, has been affected by COVID now. So we shifted our focus from the offline events to online events. So we are nestled in a very cozy office in Bangalore, and a small team of 12 passionate people working on learning, developing, and sharing knowledge on modern software technologies. So the problem area we mainly address in Confab is making organizing technical conferences very easy. So as you know, organizing large technical events is a very complex task. It requires tremendous energy, effort, and coordination. And with the absence of a single platform that connects organizers, speakers, sponsors, and attendees, that is the main pain point, and Confab addresses that. It addresses this gap by providing a platform that ensures seamless and end-to-end execution of organizing a technology conference. So, given the current situation, COVID situation, the online events industry is expecting a huge paradigm shift. So, with the focus shifting from the offline to online in pretty much every field, Confab banks on utilizing the power of cloud-based technologies for this quick transformation. So, from offering the flexibility to attend conferences at the comfort of one's home to extending one's digital network exponentially in the online world. So, from Confab, we believe that these two factors, the flexibility of attending from home and extending our network online, are the two primary game changers that we could leverage on. So the need for upskilling, switching to better jobs, and exploring and adapting newer technologies, that is the precursor for rapid growth in technology developer communities always, right? But now with the COVID situation around, developer networking is becoming more and more important than ever before, given the current economic and job condition. And good online network means better possibilities of gaining referrals and being part of an organization that you have always aimed for. So, for instance, we are organizing Cloud Community Days, which is a conference, online conference from 17th to 19th June. And the main objective is to upskill the IT, software, and technology professionals on cloud and other modern technologies, like for example Kubernetes, so to create new growth, learning, and networking avenues in this this new COVID world. So we also have a developer blogging contest to encourage developers to try out new technologies, learn them, and also share their knowledge. So developers can share their experiences in the form of developer stories by writing blogs, video blogs, or even screencasts. So in the nutshell, Confab addresses these problems of learning new technologies, career growth, and expanding one's professional network through a single solution, organizing online events which is set to grow exponentially in the next 2 to 3 years.
So Ashok, there are multiple key differentiators when it comes to our platform and compared to the competitors. So the main advantage of us is like we have chosen the cutting edge cloud technologies and modern architecture, which paved the way for its infrastructure bill, reducing it to like $50 a month. So which provides a competitive advantage for us. The cost savings that we made here, we are putting that to the best use of offering to best in class services to our customers, users, and this reduced cost for the end users using the Confluent platform, right?
Okay.
While the competitors are addressing issues partly, what sets Confluent apart is its ability to offer holistic services that are win-to-win organizers and sponsors alike. So just with the click of a button or a phone call, one can foresee his technology event being a grand success with Confluent. So we also offer services pertaining to the organizing community events and also end-to-end conferences for corporates. And this is a robust ticketing platform. We also offer outreach services for registrations, and we offer different mobile apps for at the registration desk and for the sponsors to capture the booth visitors, and a gamifying way of collecting the participant feedback who attends the event. So this makes us differentiator from the other platforms. Ashok.
Not just about the hands-on knowledge, it's also about having the right people to learn from. So that is where networking comes into picture and attending conferences comes into picture. So we always recommend our own employees as well as those we are connected with to attend conferences and events, and learn from others' experiences. So once we are in a level where we are able to solve problems, then we also request them to present in the meetups and conferences. So for example, when somebody presents on a specific topic, let's say securing APIs, which are GraphQL APIs, right? So if that is the topic, knowing how to create GraphQL APIs is one technical aspect. Another one is about securing them, and you should have hands-on knowledge in that. And when you present that, the amount of preparation that you undergo and trying to address the questions from the audience, right? So both of them help mature ourselves very fast. So the first one is hands-on knowledge. The second one is networking and sharing knowledge. That is second part. The third one is adopting modern technologies. So we may be hands-on, for example, in using cloud services, right? But there are modern services that are coming up, right? I mean, every day a new service is released almost, and the cloud platforms are evolving so fast. So you have to keep up with that change. So now, if you observe very carefully, so lot of things that used to be very hard, like for example, face recognition was very hard. Speech recognition was very hard. Now all of them are becoming so easy to consume as a service. And we have to be up to date with the modern technologies, especially related to AI and ML, especially related to serverless as a topic, about cloud native technologies in general. So being up to date with the modern technologies is another very important thing that we have to do. So I would say these things are the important ones, and that's how we have formed the mantra for Confluent also. It's learn, network, and grow. So learn is about learning to do things, and networking is about connect to other people by learning from others as well as sharing our knowledge. And then grow is don't be stagnant in one place and keep growing. Push yourself and go to the next level. That is about grow.
Okay.
So to add to that, Ashok, Confluent is for techies, and it's formed by the techies like me and Ganesh from the technical background, right? So being techies ourselves, we understand what other techies want and able to meet their needs much more effectively. So as Ganesh said, to summarize, like learning from the experts always it differentiates learning from the other people, right? So conferences helps in this way to learn from the experts